In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar using a template on Trello. Let's get started at the very beginning. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then select the official Trello website from the results. This takes you to Trello's homepage, where you can access boards, templates, and tools for organizing your work. If you already use Trello, you'll likely land on your workspace home view. If not, just make sure you're on the main Trello site so you can follow along smoothly. Once you're on Trello, look to the top of the page for the Create button. Click it to open your creation options. From there, choose Start with a template. Templates are pre-built boards designed for specific workflows, which saves you setup time and gives you best practice structure right out of the box. On the template screen, click Explore Templates to browse Trello's library. This opens a gallery where you can search by category and keyword. In the search area, type Content Calendar or Content Schedule. Either term works and will surface relevant templates for planning and publishing content across blogs, social media, newsletters, and more. You'll see several options, each with a short description. What we're looking for is the Blog Content Schedule template. Click that to open the full template preview. Here, you can scroll to see how the lists are organized, the sample cards included, and how the workflow is intended to move from ideas to published content. When you're ready to use it, click Use Template. Trello will prompt you to create your own copy of the board based on this setup. You might see options such as which workspace to add it to or whether to include any example cards depending on your account and view. Next, give your new board a clear title. A helpful approach is to include the channel or team and a time frame, like Marketing Content Calendar Q2 or Blog and Social Content Hub. A descriptive name makes it easy for collaborators to find and understand the board's purpose at a glance. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your new board using the template, and you'll be dropped right into it, ready to start planning. From here, you can customize list names, add cards for upcoming pieces, and adapt the template to match your team's stages. That's all it takes to launch a content calendar in minutes, using a proven structure you can refine as you go.